In our last few episodes, we have talked about boosting. Very popular algorithm in boosting is XGBoost. XGBoost is a library, and internally it is an extension of one algorithm called gradient boosting. In this episode, we are going to talk about gradient boosting. So let's see that by an example. So just to revise the concept of boosting, we have seen in our last episode that it is a collection of models. Let's say there are 4 models. Then on the data, if one model is trained, there will be some error that will be also passed. In the second model, the model will be trained, and whatever error is coming, that will be passed to the third model, and so on. In gradient boosting, what we do for the first model, we just take the output mean. Okay, for example, here we have, this is our X, that is IQ and CGPA, and this is our output or Y variable, that is salary. So based on IQ and CGPA, we are predicting what is the salary. This is our problem. Okay, what will be the first model in this boosting chain of models? The first model is simply the mean of output variable, that is 4.8. Now what we do to train the second model, what we do, we take the residual. What is the residual? Subtract salary and mean together, and we get these values. These are called residuals. Now the second model will be trained on XY from this is XY, and the Y here for the second model will be this residual. So we have trained a decision tree. So this is the decision tree trained on that data. These are leaf nodes. So when we got the output from the second model, what we do, we just not predict these outputs, right? These are outputs from decision trees. We just not give them. What we do, we give output from the first model, then add with a learning rate multiplied by the output from the second model. And you see the answer came as 4.7. This is not very close to what we are looking for 3, but initially it was 4.8, now it came 4.7. When we repeat this whole process, this will keep on reaching towards this actual out. Okay, so if we repeat this whole step, what we have to do, we again compute the residual 2, and we then do prediction 2, and then again you keep on repeating this process until you are very close to this output column. So if you have learned something today, save this reel and follow for more such content.